are a lot of common signs that someone is sexually attracted to you, like leaning into you, positioning their body towards you, moving stuff out of the way so they can see you more clearly or be closer to you, and so on. We know what you're thinking. What else you got? Well, we've got your back. Let's check out some not so common signs that someone is sexually attracted to you. Is it hot in here, or is it just you? Have you ever been getting ready for a date and realized you're sweating up a storm? Even though this can be embarrassing, this is absolutely normal. According to a psychologist-reviewed article on Mind Body Green, a well-being blog, when you're attracted to someone, your body temperature goes up. This is similar to how your skin turns red when you blush. When you're around your crush, this releases adrenaline from your brain into your body. The adrenaline rush causes the blood capillaries that rise to your skin surface to expand, causing that rosy glow. This can also cause your body temperature to rise, and you begin to sweat because your heart is beating faster. You don't just sweat when you're working out, stressed, or anxious. Sweating could also mean you're sexually attracted to someone. According to sex and relationship therapist Courtney Getter, an increase in body temperature or sweating means there's some sort of attraction present, but it could solely be physical attraction, not romantic. Before acting on it, be sure to discuss intentions and boundaries to make sure everyone's on the same page. No auto-tune needed. Okay, so good news. You don't need to be like Phoebe Buffay and try to catch a cold for his sexy voice. According to a 2014 study in the Journal of Evolution and Human Behavior, when someone is sexually attracted to you, the tone and pitch of their voice changes when they talk to you. When you talk to someone you're attracted to, it turns out that makes your voice more appealing. Who knew? ABC 7 News Media reported on a study about these vocal changes. Dr. Scott B., a psychologist at Cleveland Clinic, said this might be due to biology. Men are going to talk in a lower register to attract females. A study by researchers at the University of Liverpool in England suggests men may change their voice to sound more masculine, after first changing their voice to make the person they're interested in more comfortable. Psychologists in the study also found that women were more likely to change the tone of their voice when there was a rival for their affection. So if you notice a subtle change in someone's voice, it could be a sign they're sexually attracted to you. What big eyes you have. Have you ever seen a cartoon where a character stares wide-eyed at a delicious, fresh-baked pie? That little joke actually comes from science. According to Medical News Today, some research points to pupil dilation being a sign of sexual attraction. One study found men and women's pupils dilated after watching erotic videos. Another study concluded sexual attractions could be determined by pupil size and darkness. This is a super subtle sign, so you'll have to be very observant to notice this. But aren't you supposed to make eye contact with your crush to begin with? If you're staring into their eyes and notice some big anime eyes staring back at you, this could be a sign they're sexually attracted to you. Partner see, partner do. BetterHelp explains that some research, such as from Frontiers of Psychology, says that people show attraction in specific ways. However, many signs of attraction are just universal. One of those signs is mirroring, which is a way of showing availability. If you're sexually attracted to someone, you're more likely to pay attention to what they say and do, and may unconsciously mirror them. We're biologically wired to copy or mirror other people's movements, even talking in a similar way or repeating certain words and phrases. Normally, this happens subconsciously, like when we stand in a similar way as someone else. Mirroring can also indicate how engaged we are in the interaction. Close engagement, the BetterHelp editorial team explains, is a common phenomenon of attraction, as it shows the other person that they have your full attention. So the next time someone steals that catchphrase of yours, make a mental note. They might be sexually attracted to you. So, what do you think? Do you think you'll be able to spot any of these, mainly more subtle signs that someone is sexually attracted to you? Were there any other uncommon signs we missed? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, if you end up moving forward in the relationship after deciphering these signals, consent from both sides is important. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.